Hey everyone, it's Shang and today I'm going to show you my Dollhouse haul for this month. I also have an exciting news from GearBest. GearBest is celebrating its 4th year anniversary. That means epic discounts. That's right guys, their promo is divided into 3 phases. Their preheat sale is currently ongoing until the 26th. Their anniversary sale will run until April. So make sure to check out the links on the description box of this video to see more amazing deals. If you're new to my channel and love the videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Let's start with the big one. I received these kits early week of March and I'm really excited. The first one I got is the Mediterranean style. It's actually the start of summer in my country, so I think this is perfect. The second one is a pink dollhouse room. The design is so feminine, plus it has a lot of cute details. The next kit is another dollhouse room, and this time it's for the boys. I want to try this out for my male Nendoroid figures. I want to see if they will fit in it. The last one is also a room. I like the theme plus a dreamy feel to it. I think it'll be fun building these kits and photographing them. In addition to dollhouse kits, I also got a new Nendoroid which I bought from a local store. I got here is number 800, Nendoroid, Satoshi, and Pikachu. Pikachu is really cute. I also bought a set of Pokemon Re-ment miniatures to partner with my Nendoroid figure. Watch out for my Re-ment Pokemon unboxing and assembly videos of this kit soon. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!